Welcome to Freddy's Fantastic Feelings Factory, the silliest, wobbliest, most wonderful place you'll ever visit. We don't make toys or candy here. We make feelings, big, small, silly, and everything in between. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go. Today, my special friends are visiting. Leo the lion, with his super mane and mighty roar. Penelope the penguin, always in her bright yellow scarf. And Squeaky the squirrel, never without his giant acorn. Our factory is full of bouncy floors, sparkly disco lights, and machines that bubble, rain, and rumble with feelings. Each machine shows us what a feeling looks and sounds like. Ready to explore? Our first stop is just around the corner, past the hiccuping hallway and under the giggling archway. Be as loud or wiggly as you want. The Feelings Factory is all about letting your feelings out. Leo, Penelope, and Squeaky are already wiggling and cheering. I'm excited too. Are you? Great. Let's go see the amazing, astounding, absolutely awesome Giggletron 5000. My happiest machine. Follow me. Behold, the Giggletron 5000, a giant polka-dotted machine with floppy arms, powered by jokes and tickles. Its job? Making happiness. When it works, it blows out bubbles filled with laughter. Leo tells his best joke. What do you call a lion detective? Roarlock Holmes. The machine hums, whirs, and out comes a rainbow bubble. It floats to Penelope and pops. She giggles and waddles in a happy circle. Another bubble pops over Squeaky, who laughs so hard he drops his acorn. The room fills with joy, until the machine shakes and goes wild. Suddenly, it's shooting out hundreds of tickly feathers. Feather blizzard. We're all sneezing and laughing, feathers everywhere. Time to calm it down. Everyone, make a calm face and take a deep breath. Slowly, the machine settles. The feathers stop. Phew. We all felt so happy, even if it made a feathery mess. Onward to our next feeling. Let's go. Next up, the teary-eyed teapot. It doesn't make tea, it makes sadness. When it works, it lets out gentle steam and pretend teardrops. Penelope remembers losing her favorite scarf. The teapot puffs steam and a sparkly teardrop falls. Squeaky remembers almost losing his acorn. The teapot rumbles, drips faster, and the puddle grows. Suddenly, the lid rattles. Whoosh! A river of pretend tears floods the room. Penelope's flippers splash, Squeaky's acorn floats away. Quick! We need to cheer it up. Leo sings, Penelope dances, I tell a joke. The water stops, the room calms. We all felt sad, but helped each other feel better. Sometimes sadness is big and splashy, but friends make it easier. Let's dry off and keep going. On to the next feeling. Ready? Let's move. Follow me. Hold on. Our next machine is the Grumpy Volcano. It's a rocky mountain with a frowny face. When someone's mad, it puffs red smoke. Leo grumbles about his tangled mane. Red smoke! Squeaky remembers a bird trying to steal his acorn. He stomps, and the volcano rumbles. Suddenly, red foam balls bubble out. An eruption! The room fills with bouncy, harmless lava balls. What a mess! Everyone, take a deep breath and count to 4. We all breathe together. The volcano calms, the foam stops. We all felt angry, but learned to cool down by breathing. Anger can be hot and messy, but we can handle it. Let's shake off those lava balls and keep exploring. Next stop, something a little spooky. Ready for a scare? Let's go. Are you feeling brave? Here's the Spooky Dookie Ghost Train. It's a tiny train that goes through a dark tunnel, where a friendly ghost pops out and says, Boo! Penelope's nervous, but we all climb in together. The train chugs into the tunnel. It's pitch dark. Squeaky squeaks. Leo's heart thumps. Everyone's a little scared. But nothing happens. The train stops. The lights go out. Now it's really dark. Penelope and Squeaky are scared. Even Leo whimpers. I remind everyone, when you're scared, stick together. We hold hands in the dark. Leo takes a deep breath and lets out a tiny glow-in-the-dark roar. The tunnel lights up, the power returns, and the friendly ghost waves. We all felt scared, but we were brave together. Sometimes being scared is easier with friends. Let's find some calm after all that excitement. After all those wild feelings, it's time for calm. Meet the Calma Llama Cloud Cuddler, a big, fluffy cloud llama that helps us feel peaceful. We gather around and hug its soft, warm side. Leo purrs, Penelope sighs, Squeaky puts down his acorn. We all feel calm, relaxed, and safe. The Calma Llama hums quietly, making us sleepy and still. No wild messes, no noise, just calm. Sometimes, the best feeling is just being quiet together. We breathe, hug, and enjoy the moment. Calm is a wonderful way to end our adventure. We're not happy, sad, angry, or scared. We're just calm. The perfect finish to our tour. Ready to head back? Let's go. Our tour is over, friends. We pass the quiet machines and head to the entrance. Today, we felt happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and calm. We learned it's okay to feel them all. Happiness is fun and silly. Sadness is blue, but friends help. Anger is hot, but breathing cools us down. Fear is easier with friends. Calm is peaceful. All your feelings matter. They're part of you. The best thing? Name your feeling and talk about it. You're all official feelologists now. Give yourselves a big cheer. Thanks for visiting Freddy's Fantastic Feelings Factory. Zing, zong, zap, goodbye.